can you feel it? Tell me, 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 can you feel it? The way I stay on your mind when I ain't around. Tell me, can you feel it? The way your whole mood change when I come around. Yeah, you be acting unbothered, but I know it's really up. Every time I pull away a little, you start showing love. You be saying you ain't tripping, but your actions say you are. Every time I leave your presence, you be staring at the car. You ain't gotta tell me, baby, I can see it in your face. The way you smile when I text you ain't the smile you get a rest. The way you looking when I'm talking like you hanging on every word. Got you trying not to fall while pretending you reserved. Girl, I know the feeling. I ain't judging you at all, 'cause every time we get together, I can feel it getting stronger. Tell me, can you feel it? 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 Yeah. Tell me, can you feel it? The way I stay on your mind when I ain't around. Tell me, can you feel it? The way your whole mood change when I come around. You keep acting like you do, but I know you do. Girl, I know you do. Girl, I know you feel it. Yeah. Can you feel it when I grab you and pull you closer in? Can you feel that little tension every time my fingers touch? Can you feel your heart speeding up every time we lock eyes? Can you feel yourself getting comfortable enough to let go? 'Cause every other nigga trying way too hard. I just let the vibe work. I just let the energy talk. And that's probably why you keep coming back. You tell yourself you done and somehow we right back. Same conversations, same attraction, same chemistry, same magic. Girl, stop pretending. Tell me, can you feel it? Girl, I know you feel it. Girl, tell